Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MoneyLion easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap the App Store icon. If you are using an Android device, locate and tap the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar at the top, type MoneyLion. Look for the MoneyLion app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Once you are on the app page, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, locate the MoneyLion app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. When the app launches, you will see the welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap Login. For new users, select Get Started. Read through the terms and conditions, then tap Accept. Next, enter your phone number and tap Next. You will receive a verification code via enter the code into the app and tap Verify. Now, create a username and a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After that, fill in the required personal information. This may include your full name, address, and date of birth. Once you've completed the information, tap Continue. The app may prompt you to link your bank account. Follow the instructions to securely connect your financial accounts. After linking your bank account, you may be asked to verify your identity. Provide any necessary identification documents as requested. Once everything is submitted, tap Submit. Now, wait for the app to process your information. After verification, you will gain access to the MoneyLion dashboard. From here, you can explore features like loans and credit monitoring. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app layout. You're now ready to start using MoneyLion for your financial needs. If you have any questions, refer to the help section within the app. Feel free to explore the various tools and services MoneyLion offers. Congratulations on successfully installing MoneyLion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.